Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Science for Everyone. Today I have an announcement to make about a 2 days workshop that is organized by the International Society for Computational Biology Pakistan and the Microbiome Research Group of School of Interdisciplinary Engineering and Sciences. It is a well-known school of National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad. So basically the workshop will be based on the applied next generation sequencing that will mainly focus on the biomarker discovery for health and disease using metagenomics. The speaker of the workshop will be Dr. Masood Rahman Kiani, who is the head of Microbiome Research Group and is assistant professor at Science NUST Islamabad. Dr. Masood Rahman Kiani is a well-known assistant professor having more than 10 years of experience in dealing with metagenomic studies. So as a member of the organizing committee, today in this video, I will brief you about the complete 2 days workshop and I will explain all the activities that are going to be performed in this workshop. So watch the video till end so that you should get motivated to enroll in this workshop. So basically this video will cover two parts. One is the introduction to the workshop and the second is explaining complete 2 days plan. So I guarantee that after watching this video, you will know that you are the right person to enroll in this workshop or not. So before starting with these two steps, I want to tell you that this workshop is an offline workshop that will be conducted at National University of Sciences and Technology, Islamabad in School of Interdisciplinary Engineering and Sciences. Okay, so as mentioned, this is about the biomarker discovery for health and disease using metagenomics. So this will be basically a comprehensive introduction to metagenomics and bioinformatics analysis. And it will be a hand-on experience. The objective of this 2 days workshop is to introduce participants to the fundamental concept of metagenomics, enable the participant to perform quality control and pre-processing of the metagenomics data. Also, we are going to provide a hand-on training with key bioinformatic tools for taxonomic and functional profiling. And at last, we will also try to provide a hand-on training of biomarker identification using metagenomics data. So basically, this is a complete workflow from starting from the raw data and finding essential information of that metagenomic samples using bioinformatics pipelines. So basically, the learning outcome of this workshop will be to make you people, the participant, able to perform fast QC, fast P, pre-processing MetaPhlAn and human 3 for analyzing metagenomics data. And this all tools will be used by Linux operating system. So after attending this workshop, you will be able to deal with the Linux operating system. So in addition, what makes this workshop unique from any other workshop is that we will be using a high performance computer that is available at the science department and it's a supercomputing facility. So all the analysis you are going to perform in this workshop will be completely hand-on and you will be provided with different accounts where you will be able to analyze this huge data using our supercomputing facility. So this step makes our webinar unique and make the participant able to deal with their own data using high performance computer. Okay, so let's start with the work plan of our 2 days workshop. In section 1 or day 1, there will be theoretical plus hand-on training. First of all, we will introduce you to the basic knowledge of the metagenomics and also the basic knowledge of Linux operating system and dealing with different tools and softwares and different other analysis. So basically, before performing the analysis, you will be given the complete theoretical knowledge of that analysis. In the second half of the day, we will start with the Linux operating system using high performance computer and we will deal with the pre-processing of the data and the visualization of the data. So in simple, by attending the day first of this webinar, you will have the complete theoretical knowledge of the metagenomics plus the data handling and the pre-processing. And in the second section, you will also have explored the performing the pre-processing and the visualization of the data. After in the second day, based on the theoretical knowledge that was given in day first, we will perform taxonomic analysis and interpretation of the results. We will perform MetaPhlAn, functional analysis, human 3, and introduction to R and basics of R. After that, in the section 2, we will perform association analysis, biomarker identification. So basically, this whole part of the day 2 will cover all the hand-on experience, all the hand-on training related to metagenomic analysis. After that, we will have a question answer section. Although we will also receive different question answer in the middle of the workshop, but at the end and on the base of the 2 days knowledge, you will be able to ask some important questions that will be answered by our assistant professor. And at the last, certification will be awarded and the workshop will be ended. Okay, now I will let you know that how to enroll in this workshop. So it's very much simple. There are limited seats available for the participant because it's a completely offline workshop. So you are requested to book up your seats because we are having limited computer supply. So all the students are required to attend this workshop. The basic requirement of the workshop are listed here. You can easily enroll yourself, and there is also a discount offer for the early birds. This workshop will be held on Saturday and Sunday, 26th and 27th October 2024. So you all are requested to attend this workshop. So this was a complete information about the 2 days workshop. If you are willing to attend it, so you are always welcome. If you have still any query, just comment me in the comment box. I will answer you there. Or you can also personally email me and ask different questions related to this 2 days workshop. I will answer you. Thank you very much for today. Hope to see you in the 2 days workshop of the metagenomics. Thank you very much. God bless you.